Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the Apex Legends unable to connect to EA servers error. So if you're stuck on the loading screen, this'll get you back in the game fast. First, go to your Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your active network adapter, double-click it, and hit Properties. Now select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is checked. Then under it, choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Set the first line to 8.8.8.8 and the second line to 8.8.4.4, then click OK. Next, go back to search and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator and hit Yes. Now type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netshesh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your computer and Apex should connect normally again. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.